In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the updated method to share your Facebook post in multiple groups at once. Go to your Facebook and log into your Facebook account. Now just go to your profile and find out the post, which post you want to share to multiple groups. Now just tap on this share icon under the post. In here, you have to select group. And here you will find all of your available groups. So now just check those groups, in which groups you want to share the post. So you can share the post up to 10 groups at once. Select all of your groups and tap on next. Now just tap on post. And this is how we can actually share Facebook post in multiple groups at once. Thanks for watching.